Hello guys, what's up? We're playing Minecraft now. Come on. I will play. My name is Jin the Wolf. And I changed skin now. Okay. My friend is here. Yeah. I'm living Philippines. We live in Philippines. Uh-oh. What does it know it? Fine. Tell the camera where did you go? Okay. Born in America. Oh my god. This is so insecure. Okay, I'm lag. You're lagging out. I'm lagging too. But where is Bay? Okay, let's turn the phone. Starting here. Hey, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm lagging right now. So lag. Okay, guys, please wait. Okay, waiting. I'm so lag. And waiting for the other method. I know, George. Oh, wait. Okay, let's wait there for a minute. Okay, we're back. Toy Story. No. Story lang. Hi, boss. Hi, boss. I'm this one. That was. Oh, I'm Jessie. That was a bomb. No. Come on, tara na. Stop. There's water. Come on. Follow me. Alright. Oops, wait. We're back because I have a secret here. Hey, we have. I think there have. Oh, do you want to fight? Okay, fine. Psst. Here. Ow. Ah. Need a torch. You need a torch too. What is it? Now go to the kitchen for your next quest. Yes! No, nothing. Where's the kitchen? Wait, what the? That's mine. That's mine. Quick. You're such a not interest. Guys. Picture. I need torch. Just for a minute. Let's find a chest. I think there. Oh no, I stuck at the cobweb. I'm stuck on the. Hey, this is a cobweb. Here. Oh. I'm okay. Need that. We need to back up.
Hey, there's puzzle in there.
We need to back.
There's a puzzle in there.
You're such a kid.
Fences. It's really hard. And that's really, really nice. Is this so interesting? Like, and this place is too weird. Hey, help me. Oh my gosh. I'm in down. Hey, Jean. Going down too.
Dito kami ah.
House.
Ha? Wait lang.
Oh,
Wanna fight?
okay. That's your plan. Hey. That's so happy. Where are you?
Promise.
Is that TV in the
Fight me, come on.
No, I'm afraid.
Come on.
There's a station there.
No. No. I'm in bed of Andy's room. Ow. Don't get there.
I know what's every house. Oh, let's go to the infant house. Oh my god. I'm going up. No. It will be successful. Why? What's this?
This is such a bad news. Come on.
Such a badness. How great is that TV?
I'm angry of you.
Angry. Such a bad TV. It's this books. Our sticky books.
You don't see me.
What?
I'm fighting you.
What?
Ow. Where are you?
I don't know. Oh my gosh.
Where?
I don't know.
But I don't see you. Ha ha ha.
Aha, that's a cranky ball. Oh, Wait.
Fight me?
No.
Fight me. such a boy. Come on.
Wait a minute. Hey, you're
Hindi
such a
mo
good.
pwede. Come on, open. Lol. Look at this. Bye, guys.